have my cream, fresh yogurt and sugar here. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of milk powder, a little evaporated milk, we are doing mini puff. Yeah. Are you here? So now I added 1 egg. This is my vanilla essence. I always do mini puff, but today I want to change the style. I'm coming to add cardamom. You see, this is cardamom. I'm coming to add a little to my puff. So today I'm adding cardamom. Then I'm adding saffron. You see? Today I'm changing the style. Yeah, so I'm using fresh yogurt, egg, milk powder, cream, evaporated milk, cardamom, vanilla essence. And I added saffron color, I think yellow color, yeah. So now I'm adding my butter. So now I'm coming to add my baking powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of yeast. So I'm adding my lukewarm water to dilute the yeast and the baking powder before adding my flour. So today the method is different from the one I used to make. The difference is I just added saffron color and cardamom. Yeah. So now I'm adding my flour and cornflour and a little pinch of salt. I have mixed them here. Flour and cornflour and a pinch of salt. So I'm coming to mix them. So this is my puff, cardamom puff. Yay. You see, so today is different from the one I used to do. Every day we cook, we create new, we add, we subtract, then we divide, then we eat. So this is the end of the. So after I will fry. Our puff has proved. Yeah, so let's see the next. You see how I'm cutting it. Are you watching? I make my hands like this. You see, like this. Watch another one. So you see, It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings, see? This recipe, the way I love it, it's my favorite too. I can eat the whole day without eating any food. It's my favorite. I love it. So I know how to do it perfectly. I don't make the same like I don't do the same style. Today I made like cinnamon. The next day I made different flavors. Yeah, I really love this kind of recipe. My favorites. It's so crispy. See? It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. Let me add my black seed. The way it's so crispy, so soft. The inside is soft, the outside is so crispy. Oh, Charlie, Bediana, you know how to cook. Child, this is my favorite, so I know how to cook perfectly. It's my favorite, so I know how to handle this. Bediana doings, Bediana cooking, Bediana hate, Bediana hope.